Now for live trading, we just need to wait for data. But again, we're still looking into selling on GBP. But so far, GBP didn't manage to break this trend. Okay, so we need to be careful now.
Traders Work is a financial educational service designed to help traders and investors succeed through the platform offering live trading, trading strategies, signals, and copy trades. We don't just teach how to trade, we practice to master it and trade together to make profit. Join our live trading classes with live signals and practice with us, every Tuesday to Friday 7 to 9 p.m. Malaysia time.
Now I only have two options. I mean, we can wait if the price will jump here on 5 minutes. If the price will go up here, then yes, the price can go up around, because this is 5 minutes. So probably if the price jump above this area, then I can expect 5 to 10 pips pa. The price will go up. But if the price jump below here and create another lower low, then yes, that's good for me. I can still look another lower low somewhere here. All right, so that's what I do. If I do scalping day trade, I look into lower time frame and create a trend line. Okay, question clarification so far. Again, guys, for all of us, if we don't know already what to do in our trading or our trade got stuck, hedge your trade and strategize again, because we're not trading one time loss no more. No, we're trading every day. There's always be an opportunity in the market if we still have capital. That's why I always repeat this one: always protect your capital. Okay, so if possible, if you don't know what to do, hedge your trade first. So that's it, guys. But again, guys, nobody can predict the market 100%. We're just using strategy.
So,
So
Ness, if we take a profit now, what is the next price that we take for sell?
the next selling price, it means you are doing scalping already. If you trade, you close your trade and you're planning to trade again, so it means you're doing scalping. So if you are doing scalping, you are looking into lower time frame resistance and support. So if you can see, I'm creating now resistance area. So if I close my trade now, I will enter another one here. Okay, or possible also I can enter also here. Can you see the price, Mr. Alfred?
Yeah, I saw that.
10 pips, go up again, we take profit again, go up again, we sell again. So three times we managed to make already 60 pips for 20 pips target. So even if the price will go up, this 60 pips, I can still sell more here, bigger, with a stop loss. And then if the price hit, my profit 60 pips will become zero. At least I just use my profit to make profit bigger. You can do that. But again, it needs to, it needs more practice to do that. That's why we are practicing. So
Okay, thank
that's,
you.
thank you. Have a great evening, guys. If you have any questions, send me on the Telegram, right? Direct.
Thank you,
And
Nas. Good
thank
evening.
you. Have a great evening.
Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations for profit, guys. So that's it for today. Did you manage to sell GBP? Are you still selling GBP? All of you guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you manage
Yes.
to sell three, two, or taking profit a bit? If possible, take some profit and trade again.
Traders Work is a financial educational service designed to help traders and investors succeed through the platform offering live trading, trading strategies, signals, and copy trades. We don't just teach how to trade, we practice to master it and trade together to make profit. Join our live trading classes with live signals and practice with us, every Tuesday to Friday 7 to 9 p.m. Malaysia time.